Hey everyone, it's Lindsay from My Crafty Plans. Today I'm going to be planning the week of September 16th in my Erin Condren vertical neutral binder. I am going to be using this kit called Happy Place from Inky and the Brain. This is so cute. I think this is like the mid-size kit. She has a couple of different sizes in her shop. I don't have glitter headers for this, but I pulled out some stuff from my stash. It's like a really cute kind of like planner girl work type theme. Perfect for this week. A little bit of back to school vibes still going in September, but I do have a really busy work week, so I just thought this was really perfect. I love the fall colors. She got plenty of little deco sidebar stuff, and then covers and take covers and washi. So I think this is so cute. I think this is going to be a really good size kit for me. I don't think I've planned with this particular size from Inky and the Brain before, but you guys know I love Inky and the Brain. I do have a discount code for her shop in my description below, and she has the most luscious premium matte paper. So I'm going to go ahead and pop this out, and I will be right back.
So this week was just absolutely bananas busy. I am like working on a couple of different work projects right now, and I'm trying to get ready. I'm speaking at a conference in like 2 weeks, and this is the first time that I've spoken at an event since before my daughter was born, like since I was pregnant with her, she's like 3.5. So it's been a long time since I spoke at an event. I used to do it all the time for work, but I just haven't while the kids have been little. But anyway, so I'm really excited for that, but there's like a ton of stuff to do. And then my son was homesick from school Monday and Wednesday this week because he had like a little fever. He was feeling fine by Wednesday, but we kept him home one extra day. So that was like an added level of complication. He's totally 100% better now and back in school. And then my dad got in on, and my husband was away for like from Wednesday to Friday. And then my husband and my dad flew back from Philadelphia together. My dad was coming for a visit and my husband was coming home. So I was like solo parenting with a sick kid, crazy amounts of work. So everything was just bananas. So this was a really bananas week. So busy. The kit size was really, really perfect for me. The only thing was I could have probably used like a couple more like quarter size box type things or a couple more small things. But this is a really good size kit, and I am definitely going to pick up some more kits in this size. She is actually doing, Inky and the Brain is in the Ultimate Planner sale or one of those group sales this weekend. So I have a couple things picked out. She has like this really cute Harry Potter kit coming out and like a really cute, a fall harvesty kit that I really like. So I'm going to pick that up in a bit when the sale starts. But anyway, the kits don't come with glitter headers, so I did grab 2 glitter headers from an old Scribble Prints Co. like random glitter sheet pull that I had, and then as well use those solid rose gold foiled headers from Rose Colored Days, and I will do overlays on them as well. But yeah, so and then I wanted to use my autumn sunset, whatever. This was from the pre-sale, the Simply Gilded pre-sale for fall last year. Like anytime I can use this washi, I'm going to use it. It is the most beautiful washi. So I added a little bit of yellow into this that wasn't really in the kit, but I thought complemented it really, really nicely. I am obsessed with the bold colors in here. It just looks so nice, especially after using like really pale colors for a few weeks. I just love that. But anyway, yeah, so this was a crazy bananas week, and if I sound so hyper right now, it's like really early in the morning. I'm posting this. I'm going to get ready. I'm leaving for Define and Flourish tomorrow morning. I am so excited for that. So I hope to see you there. At the end of this video, I'm actually going to show what I'm bringing for like swaps giveaways. If you're coming, stay tuned for that. And also just let me know in the comments below if you're coming, because I definitely want to meet everybody that I can. Anyway, on my sidebar, as usual, just doing like a meals for the week, and then as well using this big checklist and I just did like memory keeping in there. And then I just finished out the rest with washi. Just grabbed this lighter one it's all Simply Gilded washi. Some of it's from like various boxes and some of it's from the fall pre-sale last year. Then I grabbed some of these like more simple overlays, I guess I'll call them, like more boxy ones. I didn't use as many as usual this week. I just I don't know, I wasn't super feeling it. But then I really wanted to stick to these, and I have like way more of like the glittery sparkly ones. But yeah, anyway, so then I put on the foiled overlays, which I think cut out a little bit with my camera, but they are on all of the glitter headers, and those are ones from Art Box Stickers, I think. And then I'm going to get into the planning. So it was a regular week, except for that my son was sick, so my daughter at least had school Monday and Wednesday, and my son had school on Friday, or they both had school on Friday. So I was just putting down those little thin strips of washi that came with the kit with these school stickers from Rose Colored Days. That I have there. I'm running out on that sheet. I don't think I have any more from Rose Colored Days, at least not in rose gold, but I have like a ton from other shops too. So next time I do a Rose Colored Days order, I'll pick some up. But I have so many like of the Rose Colored Days stickers that I use because I just went so hard at a sale at one point, so it might be a while before I need to replace some of that stuff. And then I wanted to just mark down that my son was sick on Monday and Wednesday, and I put down those little flags, and I decided to use like paper and milk character stickers this week, just mix things up a little bit. And I had these little emojis one, so I used like kind of a dead eyes one on Monday because my son was like so sick on Monday. He was like laid on the floor. I was like able to get work done. He was just so tired and felt so sick. I felt so bad for him. He took like a 3.5 hour nap. But yeah, so anyway, he was like super, super sick. And then on Wednesday, he was like his regular cheery self, but he had a fever still on Tuesday. So I didn't want to send him to school because you're supposed to wait like, I don't know, 24 or 48 hours or something like that. So he went back to school on Friday instead of Wednesday. And then anyways, on Monday, I had my regular work thing, and I used that as an opportunity to use some of these new, beautiful Clever Gal Crafts fall stuff. So those are the fall flags. And this is, I think this is, oh, I can't remember what color palette this is. It's one of the new fall ones. I'll see next time I pull it out. If I can read the name, I totally am spacing on it, but it's got like purples and reds and stuff. It's not Vineyard Crush. I do have that one too, but it's a different one. And maybe it was like, no, I don't know. Anyway, that sheet right there that's from Artbox Stickers is actually my hand lettering, and that is what I'm giving away at Define and Flourish. I will show them more at the end, but as a sticker sampler with all my lettering, I'm so proud of it, and I ordered it custom from Artbox Stickers, and I'm just like, I can't wait to give them away. Anyway, on Tuesday, we just had a really super lazy day because I didn't want to take my son anywhere because he was still feeling pretty sick. So we just kind of stayed home, and I just put another emoji down, and he had been up a lot the night before because it's like, I guess it's kind of hard to sleep when you're not feeling well. So it was just, I was like a super tired day as well. And then I just kind of chilled and watched TV and took a bath. I've been like really, really binging the show Lucifer on Netflix hard right now, and I absolutely love it. It's just like, I don't know, it reminds me a little bit of Grimm. It's not like as dark, it's more funny, but it's like the same thing where there's like a supernatural underlying storyline, but then it's just like also just solving like murder cases. But it's really fun. So I really like that. And yeah, and there's like 4 seasons of it and a lot of episodes per season. So there's a lot of ones going down. So anyway, then on Wednesday, like I said, my son was home sick again. And then my husband left for his trip. So I marked that down. And then I think I fell asleep at like 8:45 that night. I was just so tired after the week. Like I just been trying to squeeze work in kind of everywhere, and then also just like taking care of the kiddo. I guess you get used to having them at school really quickly, and I was not used to having them like home with me all the time, especially when I've been so busy. So I do appreciate school, and I like actually yeah, I do feel like we maybe should have put my daughter in full time, but we didn't. Next year she definitely will be. But anyway, she like loves it so much, and she just like does so much better when she's, I don't know. It's just like, I feel like it's really good for them. My son, I mean, it's kind of take or leave. He needs the socialization, but he's only 18 months, but it is fun. And he like, I like to see him like running around with his little friends and everything. And then I am just filling this out the Monday through Wednesday, which is the way I've been planning this lately. Is like, sometimes I usually do the like base of the kit, like of all the pre-stuff, all the overlays and full boxes and everything, like either sometime during the week or before the week even starts. And then I've actually just been waiting until the week ends and planning the whole week in one go. So like splitting it up in 2 sessions. And that's been working really well for me lately, especially with filming it. And it doesn't, neither of the sessions take like super, super long. And then it's also, I don't know, it just been pretty easy, and I really like it. I love how these spreads look, and I love like having them too. But this definitely more of a memory thing at this point. And then my personal wide, which I tried to film in this week, but my camera ate the footage, and I got so frustrated. But anyway, that has been like my more day-to-day planner. Anyway, and then on Thursday, everyone was finally feeling better, and we were like so excited. I was like getting the kids out of the house. So first we went to Starbucks. I got a pumpkin spice latte. I have all of these like pumpkin spice and fall stickers from last year from Paper and Milk. So I was like, that's actually part of the reason I wanted to use Paper and Milk characters this week. So I just put that in on like an appointment label. And then I took my kids to an indoor play place. It is still like 100 degrees here, so we are not like quite in the, if you want to go to the playground, you have to go like so early. And then I just like, I don't know, my son is such a sweaty kid, and then I just get so hot and I'm just like, nope. Anyway, so we went to this indoor play place. It's super fun. My son was so excited when he got there. He like literally hadn't been out of the house all week. He was like going bananas, and then he like crashed so hard and took a really long nap. And then we FaceTimed my husband in the afternoon since he is away, and I just kind of had like a chill night after that, which is always like kind of a chill night when you're, my husband doesn't work like super late during the week usually. Like he gets home around 5 or whatever, so like I get plenty of help in the afternoon with him with the kids, and he can like see them, and we usually have a nice early evening, etc. So it definitely feels like a lot more work when he's here, because we definitely like balance the childcare stuff pretty well. Anyway, on Friday, school again, yay! I did some filming in the morning. Everyone was back at school, very exciting. And then my husband and my dad flew back in. I just said my husband, and then I said his first name. Oops. Anyway, my husband and my dad flew back in. And then afterwards, I don't know why I'm doing it like this now, but whatever. So I just put all of those stickers on, and then I put the icons on after. But then after that, the cleaning people were here, so we actually just went out for like breakfast, brunch, lunch. I don't know, it was like at like 10:30 in the morning, so whatever you want to call it. We went out for that, and it was delicious. And then we picked up, my dad went with me to pick up the kids from school to surprise them. Although, I mean, they knew he was coming, but so they were really excited to see him. And then we just kind of had like a fun playtime afternoon, and we had tacos for dinner. So it was really fun. And then that egg sticker is from Inky and the Brain. Like that film stuff is from Rose Colored Days. The plane is from Paper and Milk. And that taco is also from Inky and the Brain. I love her little food ones. I actually want to get more of those egg ones. I feel like I use them all the time now, or I'm going to. Anyway, and then on Saturday, I don't know, we just like kind of had a weird morning. My husband wasn't feeling super well, so my dad and I ended up taking the kids to Barnes & Noble, because like by the time we got going, it was already like super, super hot out. And then we just like, I don't know, and then things were just like, there was kind of like a little meltdown. It was still really fun. And then I wanted to make sure I could fit that movie marquee in, because my dad and I went to see Downton Abbey like in the theaters. It was amazing. I loved it. My dad loved it. It was great. And it was really fun. I haven't been to the movies in such a long time. It was a very fun father-daughter date. And my dad had never been to like an Austin style movie theater before, where like you can have like where they serve like drinks and food and all that stuff. So it was really, really fun. But anyway, then we also picked up lunch that day from a place, and I actually did some work on Saturday because I was just trying to catch up from. I actually did get a lot done. I'm like super productive in the morning, so it was good. I just like woke up and started working. But anyway, on Sunday we went to pick up coffee from Starbucks and then donuts from Round Rock Donuts, which is like the best donut place on the planet. And then we took them to the playground and we played and had donuts at the big playground, which was really fun before it got too hot. And then we actually went out to lunch, and we went to like this barbecue place for lunch. It was like a very Austin day. And then not Austin-y, but that night we had Thai takeout for dinner. So it was like a full meal out day, which is like kind of gross. And actually I think we had takeout like every night since Friday, which we don't usually do, but times and visitors, etc. So, but that is that. That was my week, my super busy and super fun weekend, super busy week. I decided to use the deco. It had a nice small deco, so I decided to just use that in the bank spaces. And then I used a little bit of 5mm washi as well to go in some of like the smaller spaces. But yeah, I absolutely love how this looks. I'm so excited for Define and Flourish. I like don't even think I'm going to be able to do any work today which I need to, because I'm just like too excited. And I am just driving down Saturday morning, and I'll be there all day Saturday and staying over till Sunday, hopefully having brunch with some people on Sunday and then coming back. So definitely let me know in the comments below if you are going to be there.
Okay, that is everything all finished up. I love how this looks. I love like to use bold colors like every once in a while. It's just like such a mix up and just looks so, so pretty, and also photographs really well. And I, of course, love the rose gold. Let me show you what I have left from the kit. I did sort of start to run out of like smaller boxes towards the end. I probably should have remembered that I had like that glitter header sheet, which had extra quarter boxes, but oh well. So I did use like a big chunk of the kit. I love little deco. It's so easy to squeeze in. So I did use a good deal of this kit. Like I said, this is a really good size for me, but I do think next time I'll pull in some more stuff to have some more like little boxes. And I did all of my writing in a Pigma Micron 03. Before I go, I'm going to try and get this video up before I leave for Define and Flourish, because I'm going to Define and Flourish this weekend. So if you're going to Define and Flourish, please let me know in the comments down below. I really want to meet people, and I am going to be handing out these little sticker samplers, trading, swapping, handing them out, whatever you want to call it. Come find me and get one. Sammy from Artbox Stickers, I ordered these custom from her. She made me like 150 of them. She is such a sweetheart. Thank you so much. I'm sure it was so much work to get these all printed and cut really quickly for Define and Flourish for me. And they do have my own hand lettering on them. I did use one of them in here this week, so I just wanted to use that. They are so cute. They're like self-care themed. Again, all my hand lettering. So come find me at Define and Flourish and grab yours. I have rose gold, silver, and gold foil. And yeah, that is everything for this week. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. I'd love it if you'd subscribe and check me out on Instagram at mycraftyplans. Bye.